this video I will show you how to combine photos in CapCut. So for this I will be open my CapCut app first. So once the app is open, now you need to click on new project here. Once you click on new project, now here we have two categories, which is videos and photos. So you need to go to photos, and here we have this album. You can click on it, and from here you can choose the album of which you want to add photo here. So here we have the photo section, so you can select multiple photos like this. So I will be going with 10 photos. Okay, now click on add, and now all the photos are combined here, as you can see. Now you can set the duration of the photo, like this is for 3.0 second, so I will just crop it for 1 second. Okay, like this we will repeat the process for all the photos. So we will set all the photos for 1 second. Let me do it in fast forward. Okay, so now as you can see, all the photos are set for 1.0 second, and if I play this video, as you can see, all the photos are combined. Now you can simply click on export and you can download this video. This is how you can combine photos in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.